Funny, I just got home from work. I worked late and then stopped by the local grocery store in Madison, a small town one. Got some vegetables and things. I got half a put away. I gotta show you this. I heard this on the radio today. No, it's cool. And this is neat. And this is CNN. I got it turned up. Ted Cruz, he's an attorney. He could have been a Supreme Court justice, but he turned it down. Okay, he's totally, but he's a senator. That's it. I don't even know what state, but he tells the truth, knows the law, knows the Constitution, like one of the uber geniuses on legal. And this is CNN. And this is an interview, and CNN's going after him. And then they bring on this black chick. You know, Joe Biden, he did state everywhere, I am gonna have a black woman on the Supreme Court. That is open space, and that's what he exactly said, and that's what he's going to do. Sorry about raising my voice, but the furnace is running, so I got to make sure you hear me. Check this out. See if YouTube blocks me and kicks me out, because this is not copyright. This is on public YouTube TV, and I'm not making any money off of it, but check this out. And then I'll have to splice it together. Because then, after Bite Me says, I'm only going to have a black woman, and he's going like, that's wrong, which was a couple days ago. And then, all of a sudden, today he has a Supreme Court nominee, Bite Me. It's a white woman communist. And he asked her it's a yes or no question. Is racism wrong? She won't even answer. It's awesome. Just check this out. It's so funny. Communists are getting called out. But, nobody's going to show all this stuff. This is cool. See if I get blocked down for telling the truth again. But, follow along with me, okay?
Senator Ted Cruz joining other Republicans in criticizing...
Sorry about the glare.
...to nominate the first black...
Hey, it's working.
The fact that he's willing to make a promise at the outset that it must be a black woman, I gotta say that's offensive.
Right.
You know, black women are what, 6% of the U.S. population? He's saying to 94% of Americans, I don't give a damn about you. You are ineligible. And he's also saying it's actually an insult to black women. If he came and said, I'm going to put the best jurist on the court, and he looked at a number of people and he ended up nominating a black woman, he could credibly say, okay, I'm nominating the person who's most qualified. He's not even pretending to say that. He's saying, if you're a white guy, tough luck. If you're a white woman, tough luck. You don't qualify.
Joining us now to discuss...
Now listen to your communist.
Illinois, Carol Mosley Braun, the first
She's a senator.
Elected to the U.S. Senate.
Oh, first black woman senator. Listen to this communist bitch.
New Zealand and Samoa. Senator...
Oh, New Zealand. Ooh.
We do appreciate it.
Listen to her. That's not racist?
Thank you for having me.
Of course. So I wonder what you thought about what Ted Cruz said there.
Well, as a black woman lawyer, I am not offended, and why Ted Cruz would be is a mystery to me. But he's just spouting nonsense. Of the 115 Supreme Court justices that we've had in the history of this country, 108 have been white males. So,
okay, there you go.
What he's upset about is really...
But she leaves out the females that were on there, and Ginsburg died and stuff. They've been females, and, I'm a black woman lawyer. But you were never even close to being a judge. But, that's not racist. Yeah, there's your communist, man. Turn the shit around and take the facts and don't show the real facts. They've been, since the United States was founded, there have been women on the Supreme Court, black justices are on the Supreme Court. And, leaves all that out, and I was a lawyer. Well, I'm sure it was probably in New York City or Chicago or, Ohio, somewhere, the communist AOs. All right, I'm going to stop it there, and I'm going to splice in, because now here's the kicker. Today, Bite Me nominated a white woman, a nominee to the Supreme Court, a communist white woman, not black woman. Because that bit him in the ass bigger than shit. Total racist, so he's nominated a white woman. And you don't even hear about this. This is one of the Supreme Court nominees he just put out. And it's a white woman, judge, already. And I'll just find the spot where Ted Cruz asks her, okay, whatever. Do you believe racism is wrong? Do you believe racism is illegal? Watch the communists. You know, they're all going to be communists that bite me, puts in, so no problem. But I will spice this together. It's just hilarious. I'm just laughing my ass off. Oh, you got to back that up. I'm only going to nominate a black woman. Well, we'll nominate a white woman too, okay? Still a communist. Oh, yeah, there you go. Peace, love, have a heart to the communist bite me regime and Kamala Harris and all you snowflake scumbags that voted for him. You're getting what you get, and yeah, there you go. And here's the truth you ain't going to see. See if I get busted. This is all true. I'm going to spice this together. This is right off of YouTube. They can't tell me I'm putting out false information when they're running it right on YouTube. Oh, but they have before. Yeah, it's cool. All right, I'll be back. We'll spice this together. And, yeah, it's going to be a long night, but I'm going to show you the rest of it. Cool breeze. Watch the communists. Oh, we're busted for fucking racism. Bite me. Only black woman. Well, now they got a white woman communist. She won't even answer if racism is wrong. But it says in the Constitution it is. Oh, it's hilarious. All right, I'll be back. Love you. I got to finish putting my groceries away. Get my big cubbyalls and stuff off it. Now, I got to show you the truth, man. This is your reality of who's running the country. And Bite Me's just a puppet. And Kamala's a puppet. It's AOC and a little scumbag, super psychotic communists in the Senate that are different colors. That are running the whole show. And Black Lives Matter's under federal investigation in 28 states for tax evasion and shit. Remember, Black Lives Matter? No, yeah, they don't even know. They ain't filed no taxes since last year, and they won't even put out a real true address of where their headquarters are at, and they won't put out who is the president or who is in charge of Black Lives Matter. But there's over $60 freaking million got given to him, and whoever was the other one that supposedly resigned like a week ago was a lady. She bought like 15 houses in these big giant cities in real estate, but she's no longer so. Yeah, it's fucking cool, man. There's your communists. All right, I'm gonna spice it all together. You can check it out. Believe me or not, that's CNN, you know. Ooh. Yeah, they're like. They're worse than Looney Tune cartoons now. All right, I'll be back. I'll hook this all together and we'll make some sense out of it. All right, ciao.